Chrissy. Chrissy, I love you, babe. Did that freak hurt her? He hurt Chrissy? Did he hurt Chrissy?
Hey man, you alright? Jason, what happened? Where are you going? Is everything good? Jason!
Я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. И звезды мирно бежали.